Welcome back, beautiful people. It's Tashuanity3LT, and we're back again with another one. So today I'll be showing you the works and a few lock repairs and some lock reattachments. A little reconstruction, but let's get into it. So basically, here are two locks in the front of my client's head. He wanted it split into 4. So what we did was take 2 of the locks that he came in with, which was almost a handful, and we just reattached them to 2 out of the 4 of the equal parts that we created in the front. And here are 2 reattachments that we did in the back. Oh, that's seamless, honey. What's going down? Here are the results for one of those locks that we split in 2, and this is one of the ones, one of the locks that he brought in his handful, and those are the results. So let's get into the process.